I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Charge to at least 30% and back up important data. Once done, remove any case and screen protector, then clean the sensor surface with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl. This removes oils that block reads. Next, go to Settings, Security, and remove existing fingerprints. Do this now so you can re-register fresh scans with clean skin contact and consistent finger placement. You should now tackle the deeper software fixes. First, re-register fingerprints methodically. Place the finger at varied angles and lift between scans so the sensor builds a complete map. If that fails, clear biometric data and app cache by opening apps, showing system apps, and clearing storage for biometrics. Once done, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party app conflicts. If the sensor works in safe mode, uninstall recently added apps that might interfere with the sensor daemon. To finish, make sure you install any pending system updates and security patches. These often fix biometric bugs. If problems persist, perform a factory reset only after a full backup. This removes deep software corruption. Finally, test again. If the sensor still fails, the issue is likely hardware. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent reads remain after all software steps, try an authorized Realme repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.